Good morning. This is Don again with thereasonablerealtor.com. That is thereasonablerealtor.com. That's the website. Has a blog, has various articles that I think that you may enjoy reading and looking at if you do anything with a house, more specifically your house. At any rate, I would like to introduce this article today to you. I know that a lot of us have been working from home over the past few weeks or few months. Many of us out of necessity, some of us out of choice. And we have been hearing about a phenomena called Zoom meetings. So, this is a quick tutorial on how to set up your own Zoom conference from your house. If you're working at home, if you're at the dining room table, or if you're in a spare bedroom, uh, there may be times that you do not work all by yourself. You have to work with some associates or some other people that are involved. And this is just a way to use your computer like I'm using right now and set up a Zoom conference with several people at the same time. Not expensive. In fact, it's the best kind of not expensive there is. It's free. Uh, Quick lesson on setting it up, using it at your house. I think you'll enjoy it. Go to the Reasonable Realtor. I put the link right down here in the text portion underneath this video. As usual, I'd like for you to go read it, like it if you like it, subscribe to the website if you like that. If you like this video, I'd love it if you'd go ahead and punch this little red square and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Any remarks, any criticisms, any nasty feelings or whatever, just log them right down here below, and I will answer um, each of them in as quickly as you put them in here. So that's all that I want you to do. Just thumbs up if you like it if you like it, respond if you got a question, and by all means subscribe. Anyway, I appreciate your time. See you